Hey guys, Dennis from DC Supershine. Just got a call from a customer, and he's asking me why he's getting brown marks and stuff like that in his tanks. And most of the time, my first question is, what kind of compounds are you using? Because compounds mean everything whenever it comes to polishing, and quality of compounds, all that kind of stuff. So I just thought I'd talk about some of the bars that I use, that I've tried over the years and all that kind of stuff, and what is working for me. So there's other polishers out there that use different stuff. Works for them, that's awesome. This is what works for me, and this is why I promote it. And I don't get any cut from this. I don't get any kickbacks or anything like that. Of course I get a discount whenever I buy, because I buy in bulk, but I mean, aside from that, that's it. So I promote this stuff, I use this stuff, and that's why I believe in it. So these are the 4 bars that I use. The 439T green heavy cut from Manzurna. The P14F medium cut. It's a white bar for a 1-step. Often you're doing rims and stuff like that, and you just want to do a 1-step, no sanding involved. This bar works great. And it works great too if you're sanding. Like, I've sanded tanks and used that bar, and it works amazing. And then the blue bar for finishing, again, that's a 480 BLF from Manzurna as well. And then they call it the blue clean, blue from Matchless. This is what I use for finishing on diamond plate. So I find it cleans up all the black residue and stuff like that very well whenever you're working on diamond plate. But I mean, it works very well for finishing on other surfaces as well. Me personally, I prefer a greasier bar, so that's why I use the blue from Manzurna for finishing everything else. Now, I have tried numerous other bars, other companies, all that kind of stuff. Those bars just haven't worked for me. There's some very good bars that I've used that are not Manzurna. That for example, if Manzurna stopped making these bars, I would turn to them and use those other bars for sure. Coker is a very good company. Some of the Matchless bars are very good as well. So I would probably go with that. There's a couple Jackson Lee bars that I like as well. I used to use Jackson Lee before Manzurna, and I just whenever I started using Manzurna, it was better. So that's why I use it now. So hopefully that sheds a little bit of light on bars. If you guys have any questions, anything at all, comment below, and hopefully I can help you resolve any issues that you might have. Thanks for watching. All the links to the bars that I've talked about today are going to be in the description below. Subscribe if you haven't yet. You can like me on Facebook and find me on Instagram.